Gimme that thing that you. I don't come here to play. I want scatter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya, and today I'm doing a quick little get ready with me. So first I'm going to start with this primer. I'm going to spray it all over my face. Make sure it's evenly distributed all over my face. Then I'm going to go on with this spoolie so I can lay these thick eyebrows down. I have to do these eyebrows because I did not have time to get them done before I did my makeup. So I'm going to try my best to slay them. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara. I did run out of my eyebrow pomade that I got from Anastasia. So I'm going to just go in with my mascara that I bought from the beauty supply for less than $2. And I'm going to just use that as if it was eyebrow pomade. So I'm just going to outline my eyebrows. Make sure they nice and thick. Gotta go back in with that spoolie. Make sure everything is nice and evenly laid down. Then I'm gonna go back in with my mascara so I can lay down all the flyaways. The good thing about this mascara is that it just lays down all of the flyaways so flawlessly. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color yellow. And then I'm gonna take my concealer brush and outline these brows. I need these brows to be on fleek. And y'all are going to see that at the end of the video, that these eyebrows will be laid as if I use eyebrow pomade. So I'm gonna underline nose with the concealer. This is my favorite part, is my eyebrows. So now we're going in with my color corrector. As you can see, it is pretty old. I had this color corrector from MAC for, I want to say 3 years, but it works so well if you have discoloration and dark spots. All you have to do is take both sides and blend them. So first I'm taking the yellow and I'm taking it and putting it all over my discoloration and dark spots. And then you will go in with red right after. And there's no special way to put it on. I'm just blotting it all over my dark spots. Like wherever you see a spot or a major discoloration mark, all you have to do is basically paint over it with the color corrector. Look at me, flawless. So now I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It did look kind of dirty, so I'm gonna just rinse that out. And I'm gonna blend. We're gonna blend the yellow and the red until it actually blends into your skin complexion. It works really well. When you blend it in and then you put the foundation over top of it, it's just perfect. I mean, like, you can't even see the spots underneath. So then I'm gonna go in underneath my eyebrows and over my eyebrows and make sure those are on fleek. Then I'm gonna continue blending out the concealer underneath and over top of my next eyebrow. Wait until y'all see the final product. There we go. So I did forget to put in my foundation because my phone did die, but I'm just using Makeup Forever, and if anybody wanted to know my foundation, it will be listed below in the description box. So now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty. I believe the color of concealer, it's Toasted Almond, but if I'm not correct, I'm definitely putting that in my description box as well. Okay, so with my concealer, this is my absolute favorite part, guys. As you can see, this is my favorite part. So I start with my under eyes, then I do my nose, then my forehead, and then after I do my forehead, I do under my nose, and then I get my jawline and my chin. And that is how it looks. So then I'm gonna go in with my contour stick in chocolate. I don't even think it's a contour stick. I believe it's a foundation stick, but it was under $2, so I had to buy that from the beauty supply. And I'm gonna just do my cheekbones, well, underneath my cheekbones and around my forehead. And I'm gonna also outline my nose. And look at that. So now I'm going to take my primer and I'm going to spray this beautiful blending brush. I forgot where I got it from, guys, but it works so freaking well. Like, beauty blender over brush with blending. I chose brush because this is the best blending brush I've ever had. Compared to a beauty blender, I was so scared to mix the two colors with my concealer and my contour, but it's just like, it just helps blend it out so well and evenly. So I love this brush. I wish I can tell you all where I got it from, but I don't even remember where I got it from. It's giving toasted almond, toasted edges, toasted caramel. I love the contour and concealing process because it just, everything just goes together when you do it right. It's just perfect. As you can see, it's just blending in the contour so well. So now I'm gonna go in with my Luxe Pro powder in the color Banana. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and go under my eyes. I'm gonna do under my nose, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and I'm gonna do my jawline. At one point in time, I thought that the baking process was stupid because I have dry skin. So I was like, why would I make my face more dry than what it is? But I end up really liking like the end product because my face, like when it's set, it sets the makeup and it just looks so much better and a little bit more flawless. So now I'm gonna take this other brush that I literally forgot where I got from too. I'm gonna just blend all of this out, all of the baking powder out. And look at the colors, like everything blended in. Girl, I'm looking like a butter pecan. Yes. Now I'm about to take my highlighter. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills. I forgot the color that I used, but it's one of my favorite colors in this palette that they offer. Just makes me look golden. I'm going to just hit my nose and where I smile, which is my cheekbones, and I'm gonna get like the corners of my hair where I feel like the sun touches. Then I'm gonna go in on my upper lip. So I'm gonna take this lip liner that I got from e.l.f. It was less than a couple of dollars at Target. I'm gonna just use that to line my lips. I'm gonna just go in with a basic chocolate lip. So I'm just lining. Then I'm going to take this coconut oil lip gloss. And I'm going to top my lips off with the lip gloss. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray, which helps so much for dry skin because it just hydrates right after. And this is the finished product. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment right under here. Thank you for watching.
It's looking like you stuck with me.